anything else? And all three?
No.
Okay. We can do that. Alright. Starting with 1C, you had to determine are these direct, inverse, or joint variations, whatever. This almost looks like direct, but it's x over y, not y over x. So we'd have to solve it for x, multiply by y on both sides, so that it gets out of the denominator. And then after we do that, we're still trying to solve for y. Divide both sides by 4.65. So we have some x over 4.65y equals y. If we knew what 4.65 was as a fraction, we could rewrite it as a fraction, and then that fraction would go in front of the x. And then just like our y equals kx, it would be in that format. You could also think about this like the x is not in your denominator, so it has to be direct. And there's not multiple variables, so it can't be jointly. One of your music is way too loud.
Maybe she didn't get good sleep last night.
Okay. She can sleep. Just tell her to turn it down. Alright, for number 2, because it says the temperature remains constant and varies inversely, set up your equation using V and P. Varies inversely would be V equals K over P. So part A is asking to find the constant of proportionality, your K value. And it tells us what V and P are. So if this is inverse, multiply V and P to get K. Do that. Tell me what you get. Yes. Then in this next part, the volume of the gas is what we're looking for. So we know K, we know P, put those in and find V.
That's a rhyme.
Not in, I didn't mean to rhyme, it just happened. Alright, divide that. What is V? Four. And then our volume is in liters, so 4 liters would be our answer. Questions on that? For 3, the area of a trapezoid varies jointly, so let's call that A, the height H, and then the sum of the bases B1, B2, and we're going to add them together. So we're going to have some A equals KH times B1 plus B2. Make sure you guys are paying attention. Pay attention, Ethan. Okay. Take the numbers that they give you. This will help us find K to answer A. Part A. A was 100. We don't know K. H was 8. Base 1 was 10. Base 2 is 15. And we can use those numbers to find our K value. So if we multiply 8 and 25, we would get 200. Divide both sides by 200, and we get 1/2 or 0.5. So our equation to represent the area would be A equals 1/2 H times V1 plus V2. If you know or remember anything about trapezoids, this is the actual area of a trapezoid formula. So it should have been 1/2. And then part B, we are looking to find the area. So use these new numbers with 1/2 as your K to figure out what A is. 16, and our bases were 10 and 8. You can put that all in at once. You can do bits and pieces and then do it all together. What was your area?
I got 144.
Yes. And then if we look back for what was the units on area, square feet. So 144 square feet was our final answer for that. Questions on that? Today is your flex day. So those of you that said you wanted to retake, I'm going to be passing those back out to you. Make sure you're using this time wisely, because if you're not and you come to me after school, the likelihood of me helping you will be low. If you need to work on Khan Academy, you could be doing that. In the papers I gave you on your desk, your review is also there for your quiz next class. So if you're not working on retake stuff, you can be working on the review or Khan Academy. If you need to take a test, I'll be talking with you about that as well. While you're working on any of that stuff, I'll be talking to you about your class you're going to take next year, math class. For just about everybody, it'll be Algebra 2, because that's the class after this. Grade-wise, depending on what your grade is, I'll have another conversation with you. So I'll be talking to you all and calling you up, so just listen for your name. If you need more practice, there are some at this back table. You can just pull them out of the protector sheets and grab those to include. There are bingo sheets back there, but if you're going to play bingo, I need someone to run it because I'll be doing this. But that's only for people who don't need to do retake work. So retake work first, then anything else. Anyone have questions on what we're doing today? Okay. I'm going to pass